Guys, would you like a mulled cider?
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
Can't
please.
start anything without a mulled cider.
Yeah, cheers guys, Merry
To
Christmas.
us.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
What's the plan, guys? What's the
So
plan?
we are doing this roasted chicken. We're
Yeah.
stuffing it with our caramelised porker sausage meat.
Yeah.
Well, you're doing a nice
Bacon.
bacon weave using our jolly old streaky bacon. And then I'm going to stuff the sausage meat inside of the skin here. We're going to
Yeah.
season it. We're going to get it in the oven. You
Josh-
want to get going?
Yeah, it's not wasting time.
Holding things up.
Obviously, Josh can't put the stuffing in because his fingers are too fat.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay 5 or 6 rashers down, lift every other rasher up, and then it's a process of just doing this alternatively.
Okay, so we've got the caramelised onion sausage meat.
That should be plenty.
As you can see, it is lovely. We've got in here outdoor bred pork of belly and shoulder, and you can see the caramelised onion relish in there as well. Gives it that lovely sweetness. I'm going to now stuff it inside the skin, so just take a little bit of time. I've now stuffed this this chicken with sausage meat, and you can see it's poking out the top.
It's torn the skin.
We've had a little tear, but that's not the end of the world. And we are going to season it now. So I've got some olive oil here.
Everyone loves crispy chicken skin, don't they? Me and Dad can drink mulled cider while you're working.
And I'm going to put some of this sage inside.
Nice.
I'm just going to break it up a little bit. That is actually ready to go in the oven. Josh, you're in charge of the oven.
Yes, I am.
And we'll give that half an hour before we get the weave on.
Yeah, I mean that's the best part so far.
Looks good, actually, Josh.
Cheers, Dad. So while my dad and my brother are going for a Christmas nap, or another mulled cider, I'm not too sure, we're gonna get the chicken out of the oven. I mean, what is not made better with a bacon blanket? You know, this is something I use for a lot of my Christmas recipes. Okay, this is the delicate part. Trying to pick it up in one go. There's definitely gonna be a few running repairs on this. I've basically now cooked this for another 30 minutes with the bacon on top. And as you can see, it's nicely tucked in, looking beautiful.
Everyone's going to be eating.
Wow.
How long do I have to wait?
Wow, look
Wow,
at
look at that.
Oh, Josh.
that. Shall I get carving, guys?
You ready, Max?
Ooh.
What do you think?
Oh, and he caught it again. Unbelievable.
How did you do that?
What was that?
You nicked a sausage.
That pig and blanket on my head. And how do you know when this is done?
Juice is running clear, for one,
Yeah.
so, you know, that's the...
So when we stick a fork in you, can we...
it just keeps going, just keeps going, just keeps going.
You'd just go around the room, wouldn't you, if you did that?
More cooking, please. Right, let's get this on the chopping board then, Josh.
Yeah.
Do you want to hold the tray and I'll,
Yeah.
I'll take him off?
Make sure you save all of that juice for the gravy. Unbelievable.
That looks fantastic.
What's always a really nice surprise as well is when a whole rasher of bacon just gets left over. Oh no!
Oh, look at that. And what about me? Come on, let me have one.
Too slow.
Way too slow. Sorry, Dad.
Go on, Josh, pass me a piece.
Look at the juices coming off of that.
Oh,
So what we got there is our caramelised onion sausage meat here. And we've breaded with the chicken underneath. This is absolute
fantastic.
dream world. This is...
All right, I will take
well,
these
we'll
through.
take these through.
All right.
After
Can
you,
we
Josh.
trust you with that?
No, absolutely not.
No.
There'll probably be nothing.
We need to weigh that before. and
Can you
after.
count those layers of bacon, Josh, so we know he doesn't nick
There's another one
anymore?
gone.
There's a layer. Bacon's my thing. And as you can see, it's nicely tucked in, looking beautiful.
How long have we got to wait before we can eat?
Too bloody long.
What about the Christmas? Oliver bought us all Pringles. Do you remember that?
Yeah, I do actually, yeah.
We
Because
were
I remember he
traumatised,
at the
weren't
time, like he was he was 15 doing a paper round, or Mum was doing a paper
No,
round.
Mum was doing the paper
Yeah.
round and
And,
Oliver was getting paid for it.
Yeah,